Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2022 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L in bright white. With adaptive cruise control, 360 surround view camera system, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and rear crosspath detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 43,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, power sliding doors, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 50106A.